Welcome to MSM Creations. For photo transfer, you can take a mug, either you can use canvas or you can use tile or any surface you can use. Now apply Mod Podge on the surface and stick the picture, correct side of the picture on the Mod Podge. Let it dry for 15 to 20 hours. For this photo transfer, use colored printout on 180 GSM paper. After 15 to 20 hours, just apply plain water with your fingers and gently rub it with fingers. Do not apply too much of water. In this process, we are removing extra layers of the paper. Remove upper layer by rubbing gently. You have to do this process by patiently and very gently. Now the picture is visible. Now you have to be very careful. Just apply very little water once at a time and let it dry completely, then again rub, then again apply water and again rub. Don't use too much water, otherwise the picture will be removed and the surface will be visible. After drying, the picture will be blur. So apply some amount of oil. You can use any kind of oil or you can apply Vaseline on it. After photo transfer, I have done mixed media work on it. For mixed media, I have used Rangoli powder, glass colors and air dry clay. I have applied white Rangoli powder using glue plus water mixture on the some of the areas like this hearts, boat and the grass. After applying Rangoli powder, I have applied glass colors. The glass colors are water based and I have used brush for applying. So I have painted all this hearts and all the grass with water based glass colors. On the other areas also I have applied glass colors. So as the glass colors are transparent, so the background picture is clearly visible. After painting, I used air dry clay for outlining. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.